Okay, today we're going to talk about some of the techniques that the text talks about and that I also like to use as a counselor, and why. The first one, especially for my transition age students, is homework. It serves to kind of educate them on a potential choice that they may be making, and a lot of times it educates me as well. It's also a good measure of their motivation depending on the product that they bring back to me. It may just be a brochure which shows me no effort, or it could be something that's very detailed that shows me that they did take the time and the effort to research it. Open-ended questions. That's very important. It will provide you with a lot more information than twice as many closed-ended questions. And the other thing that I've learned is it's okay for there to be pauses or quiet time during a conversation. Um, and I have found if I let that happen, a lot of times I will eventually get a response from the client. It was just taking them a minute to organize their thoughts. And it helps if I'm not feeling a dead air with what I have to say. And so that's been very helpful. Um, I like to use anything that would be considered a common sense approach. Um, I like to establish facts with the client. So we're both on the same page in regards to exactly where we are right now and kind of set the baseline there. I don't like to dwell in the past. I do want to recognize it because it may help for future considerations, but I don't want to live there. And also too, and I do this in my personal life, if I'm having a little problem making a decision between two different choices, I'll actually write down the pros and the cons, um, just to help me visualize the decision process that I'm trying to make. And it really does help, and I found that that is a very helpful tool with my clients as well. Anytime that you can provide hard evidence, it's good, you know. Um, okay, counseling philosophies. That's a good one because there are so many out there. I'm not a Freud guy. If you come in my office and you're curious about the meaning of life or need me to explain the past relationship with your mother, I'm not the right guy for you at all. Again, common sense stuff. But I do find myself kind of falling into the Alderian arena because I think it's so crucial for a sense of trust to be established from the very earliest meeting together. It really sets the tone for the rest of the process. Um, and also for them to know that I'm not here to judge anything. And also, too, it's real important to empathize. And I completely agree with that. I need to meet them where they are and see the situation through their eyes. But also, too, a little bit of gestalt gets in there. Again, I'm here on the big and I'm big on the here and now, and not too much about living in the past because we can't change that. And also self-awareness. That's very important, even for us as individuals. So that's just kind of a brief description of some techniques I use and some theories that I feel like that I lean towards. So I guess that'll do it for today, and we'll see you at the next discussion. Bye-bye.